What's up, legends? Welcome back to the Top 5 Tray, where we don't just talk tech, we break it down for the real ones. Today we're diving into a beast that's got gamers, coders, editors, and everyday grinders drooling. The Epomaker HE80 Hall Effect Gaming Keyboard. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Hit that like button if this helps you out. Subscribe for more real deal reviews, and let's break down exactly why this might be the most underrated keyboard in the game right now. Let's start with the thing that makes this board an absolute monster: Hall effect switches. These aren't your average mechanical clickers. We're talking about magnetic switches that ditch physical contact for lightning fast responsiveness. No debounce delay, no wear and tear, just buttery smooth key presses that register exactly when you want and never when you don't. These switches feel like the future, and if you're into hardcore performance, the 8K polling rate and 32K scan are gonna blow your mind. That's 8,000 reports per second. 8,000. Every keystroke gets picked up practically before you finish pressing it. Whether you're mid-firefight, speedrunning edits, or hammering out code, this thing keeps up without breaking a sweat. It's like the keyboard can read your mind before your fingers move. But speed doesn't mean squat if the board feels like trash. Good news, this one doesn't. It's built with a creamy gasket mount, which sounds delicious and feels even better. That soft bounce on every press, that smooth acoustics on every tap, that's what creamy gasket does. Your fingers get a cushiony ride without any of the squishy weirdness some budget boards throw in. Now let's talk layout. The H80 is rocking that 82 key configuration. That means you get all the function keys, arrows, and shortcuts you need without the chunk of a full-size board. It's compact, efficient, and clean. Perfect for tight setups, dual monitor desks, or just anyone who hates keyboard clutter. And the hot swappable feature? Say goodbye to soldering. You want to switch out switches? Pull them. Pop new ones in. That's it. You could run linears one day, tactiles the next, maybe some wild opticals if you're feeling experimental. This board gives you full control without any commitment. And yeah, it's got RGB backlighting and not the cheap one zone kind. Full customizable RGB that lights up your setup with every stroke. Static, waves, reactive, you name it. This board flexes all the modes. Want that low-key white glow for your Zoom calls? You got it. Want a full-on rave under your fingertips during Valorant? Done. It looks sick, day or night.
But let's not forget compatibility. This isn't just a PC board. It works with Mac, laptops, smart TVs, and even gaming consoles. That's wild. You could be typing up spreadsheets in the morning, editing YouTube videos in the afternoon, and crushing opponents on console at night. All with one board, one cable, one killer setup. Connectivity is handled with USB-A to USB-C, so it's fast, stable, and easy to hook up. No lag, no dropouts. Just plug in and go. It's wired for a reason, and that reason is zero compromises. This keyboard is designed for literally everyone. Gamers, students, programmers, video editors, business users, teachers, everyday users, even multimedia maniacs. This isn't a niche board for a niche crowd. It's a versatile weapon that fits into any workflow, any style, any routine. Whether you're fragging, grading papers, or building your next startup, the HE80 keeps up. And yeah, it's got SOCD, simultaneous opposite cardinal direction cleaning, which basically means you can mash left and right at the same time, and this thing won't trip over itself. That's a game changer in competitive play where precision matters. Combine that with DKS, dynamic keystroke system, and it's next level. You can assign multiple actions to one key depending on how hard or soft you press it. It's like analog control, but with full digital freedom. Customizable, programmable, insane. It's got that portable and ergonomic vibe too. Not heavy, not clunky, just solid. You can toss it in your bag and bring the same high-end feel from your battle station to your coffee shop, dorm room, or wherever you're grinding. And lastly, the style. This thing isn't some plastic toy pretending to be pro. It's got that contemporary aesthetic, minimal but premium. Sleek black casing, clean lines, gorgeous RGB. It looks just as good as it performs, and that's saying something. So here's the deal. If you're still rocking a stock keyboard or stuck with mushy membrane nonsense, it's time to level up. The Epomaker HE80 isn't just good for the price, it's a straight-up performance powerhouse with zero filler. Every detail is engineered for real users, the ones who type hard, play harder, and expect more from their gear. Whether you're looking to game like a god, type like a beast, or just enjoy a satisfying keystroke for once in your life, this board's got your back. Scroll down, check the link in the description, and get ready to experience what a real keyboard should feel like. And if this helped you out even a little, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling us what keyboard you were using before this. We want to hear your glow-up story. Catch you in the next one.